Jordan, any update on the 1.8T? Please. The people, they need to know answers. Please.
Everybody's been asking, please. Jordan.
Any words?
It doesn't move. Get the camera out of my face.
Jordy car.
Shut the up. Welcome back or welcome. We have a huge snowstorm coming this weekend, so we're gonna get as much work as we can on Jordy's car. We're pulling the engine out of it for it to get Get out of here. So we're gonna get as much done as we can. We're pulling Jordy's engine out for you to rebuild it.
Yes, thanks, Joe.
Yay!
She came in yesterday looking all Sailor Moon and shit.
Here's a question for you guys. You have 5 seconds to answer before I do. What do you do first in order to pull an engine?
Drain the fluids.
Oh. Take it off. So Jordy already drained the oil a couple weeks back whenever he did it to actually find out his engine was blown. So we're skipping to the exhaust and the drive shaft.
I have a clip of the amount of metal particulate that was in my oil. I'll send it to Kai, she could put it in. It looked like a 4-year-old took an entire canister of glitter and went. So.
I'll insert the video here.
I would exceed my maximum iron intake for the day. V-band good. Cool.
No, we just need to drop from the hangers. I went to the gym today. I was there for like 2 hours. You good?
Very tough to get off, Kai.
Time to tackle the drive shaft. This one's always low-key a pain in the ass.
I'm not digging through that drawer.
Drawer in question.
I love you, Jimmy, but goddamn.
I'm getting sent up.
Get the f***ing car, Kai. You know what? Get it on the other side. I don't want you on this side.
And up we go. I'm just gonna have to constantly put it in gear and out of gear while Jordy works on taking the drive shaft underneath. So I'm just gonna skip to the part where we have it out. Ta-da!
Oh my god, it's a drive shaft.
Now on to the fun stuff. Whoa, is that a blown up 1.8T?
Let's take the hood off, dude.
Okay, let's do this quick.
No way. Oh my god. No hood on it? What?
No bonnet? You know what we're starting with.
Goodbye to the catch can.
Sorry guys, I can't zoom in that far, but he's somewhere behind the alternator.
This feels very full.
I wonder why. Here's Jordy's little catch can drainer.
It's a really nice Chase Bay's remote drain kit.
Yeah?
Get them at shopgmail.com.
If you were wondering, she's still leaking oil.
Bitch is full, man. Pull this hose off the
You're trying to pull
vacuum
the hose?
nipple.
You're trying to pull the hose?
Yep. There we go.
Off their nipples?
Mm-hmm.
No, but actually we're taking off the intercooler piping. This looks so wrong.
Let me do something. I want to do something. Take the pipe off, fellas. Nice. Look out, everyone. Turbo Kai is coming soon. Just so everyone knows, Kai's wearing my jacket, getting it covered in oil.
It's not even covered in oil. My hands are, though.
Well, okay, hotshot.
On to the next pipe. Yeah. Call me a plumist the way I lay those pipes.
Plummus?
Plumber?
Plumber.
Removing the intake. This man's really struggling. There's so much oil in there.
It ain't that bad.
It's kind of bad.
It ain't that bad.
There's oil where there shouldn't be oil.
Yeah, but the turbo got no shaft play, so.
Oh god. Those are more expensive than everything.
Yeah.
Hey, it's time to get the bottom bitch now. I mean, the lower hose.
Kai, you are the bottom bitch.
He doesn't mean that. I am the main. I stand on that. 10 toes. 10 toes down.
You got 9 toes.
Don't tell them about. I have a feeling this is gonna go everywhere. Pull the lever!
Kylie.
I feel like I'm in the splash zone. Oh, whoa. That's Jordy in the morning.
Stop telling him.
To our shelf of parts it goes.
That shelf is going to be an entire car soon.
Now that the intercooler piping has been taken off, it's time for the rad. Swirl by.
Nice. Good.
Round and around and around we go.
Okay, there's a hole. You don't have to hold it. There's an entire bar on the bottom that is holding it right now.
Okay, time for the bottom. No.
So it doesn't fall.
More room for activities.
Looks pretty good.
Before we remove more stuff, Jordy wanted to test fit. We get first look. It was clear. Timing belt. Cover.
It's pretty cool.
That's pretty sick.
What do you guys think? Do you think I should paint it black from like here down, so then it's just the belt that you see at the top? I think that would be cool.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, it's a little too much clear for me, but I like it. Carrot Top Tuning. Go bully him. Tell him to hurry up, because these are cool. You got a disconnect power steering.
And yes, we have a bucket for everything. A sick bracket. I don't think I've ever really looked at it up close.
Thanks, I made it. Can you grab that bucket and hold it up higher?
It might just be me, but I love the color of power steering fluid.
I hate ATF.
You feel accomplished for the night?
So. It's 2 grounds, engine mount, trans mount, couple turbo lines, pulling it out.
Okay, let's see my to-do list.
Let's go home.
You heard the man. See you guys tomorrow.
Good morning.
That was
Did I sound like Jimmy?
No. I sounded so tired.
That's what Jimmy does. Good morning. We gotta stop clapping, guys.
You're
We gotta
too
stop
close to the
clapping.
camera.
Where'd we leave off, Kai? Everything but fuel lines.
We raise the car, take off the fuel lines from underneath because it's just gonna be easier.
Fuel line Kai, right? Nice.
I smell like nail polish remover. Hey, Jordan. I think you're gonna have to get this one because I'm on my tippy toes and I still can't reach.
Nice. I wonder if there's a fitting that converts barb to -6.
I'm not sure why Jordy didn't do this firstly, but we're finally disconnecting the battery. I never realized Jordy had this in his trunk.
Yeah,
Look how cool that is.
I'm not broke.
A little organizer.
I have to. I'm forgetful. A lot more lines than I remember. Kai disconnected all the dumb little shit off camera.
Nice.
Nice.
Good job.
We're trans mount and engine mounts away.
Jordy, I said you just bought a can of WD-40 and WD-40 the whole car.
No, we don't have.
It's time. Thanks for bending over like that.
You're welcome.
That goes on the jack leg. That'll fall over time, but nice work. I love how compact your drivetrain is.
I know,
it's so cute. It's such an awesome package.
It's almost ready for you, Jim.
Back to being a shell. This thing has been a shell many times.
It's out!
I had to take everything else off of it.
Fun.
We gotta take this thing apart, guy.
Take it apart. Clutch is next.
It's a clutch.
It's a clutch. So Jordy's just gonna be unplugging stuff and dismantling the rest of what's on the engine. So we will be back when he's done.
I'm done.
Yay! Good job, Jord.
What do you think?
I think it looks like a bare block. Besides, looks like you didn't really think you were mounting through. Yeah, take those two things off. I'm gonna go grab a tire, put the block on it, and take the rest of the components off, so it is a completely bare block.
What's so funny in this?
You know exactly why I'm laughing. Oh, strong guy over here.
Should be good.
Whoa, she's a completely bare, naked block. Now the block is ready to go off to Jim so he can break it down. We are not going to be recording that process, unfortunately. Make sure to check out Jimmy's channel to find out what they're actually doing with the engine, what they're upgrading, what they're adding. And as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, we're going to be hit with a very big snowstorm tomorrow. So I'm not sure what the rest of this video will entail, but stick with us. See you tomorrow. And we are back, but not without the snow day taking a day from us. Now we may not be recording Jordy's engine rebuilds, but we will be recording a little something on his car, a full rear end reinforcement and refresh. So Jordy went ahead and took the wheels off, grabbed all the tools we need. There's a bunch of people in the shop today, so there's going to be other noise going on, so focus on us. Okay, so just like the TI, coilovers in the back. I got it. These are way easier than the TI.
Just not that knuckle.
Can I take that strut out?
You told me to take that strut out.
Okay. Kai.
Yo, where you going?
Okay, you ready? I feel like a troll under the bridge right now.
That's because you are a troll.
That was rude. For gremlin.
We gotta take the brakes off.
Got the 2 bolts out of the caliper. Jordy zip tied it to keep it out of the way, but it's still here, not dangling.
The brakes stay with the car.
Got our gloves. Jordy, you want to tell them what's next?
So we gotta drop the trailing arm. Easy.
Easy. 1, 2, 3.
Jeez, Kyle.
Didn't know dirt was gonna fly out.
Last one.
Of course, this is gonna be the one that.
I should be good.
I saw my life flash before my eyes.
This one might be annoying because the side skirt's on. Sorry.
Of course.
Sorry.
You could definitely get that one with the gun.
Do the rest by hand. You probably get the back one, yeah.
Yeah. I might.
I don't think so.
No.
But let's get a wrench. It's alright. Please hold.
Jordy's cutting e-brake lines that he doesn't need.
I guess I already cut that one.
Now that we got 2 limp control arms.
Nice. Get down to your level.
That's crazy. But I am
So-
holding the camera straight now instead
Whatever.
of whoop.
We're gonna put this on a Viper chair because we don't have dollies right now.
I found dollies.
We'll lower it onto the dollies and then 1 bolt, 2 bolt, 3 bolt, 4 bolt, and it should just stay with the dollies. Raise the car up, subframe's out.
Don't drop it on me.
I wish I could. You wanna go up with the lift, dude? Keep going. Keep going. Hang on. Hang on. Hang on.
Hang it.
Get that crash.
Nice. I told you guys we were reinforcing Jordy's rear end.
The whole point of taking the monstrosity of the subframe out, Kai, is to reinforce these mounts. These 4 subframe mounts usually crack really bad, especially when you beat on these cars. Usually they're obliterated, but this looks like they don't have any cracks. This is good news. This is gonna make our life a lot easier. So we don't have to repair cracks and then plate it. We can just plate it.
Definitely have to clean them up before we weld the new plates on though.
Well, yeah, 100%.
That we'll do off camera, but stay tuned because the next video will be welding the reinforcement plates, installing new bushings in the subframe, and putting this bitch back in. Until then, please like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you then.